it's Tassie, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Butterfinger ice cream shake. First, you will get a cup of ice and then maybe a little bit more, and then add your water. You're going to want 16 to 20 ounces of ice water mix. Go more towards the 20 ounces if you want to use a dome. You're going to need 2 scoops of our French vanilla healthy meal, 2 scoops of our peanut cookie protein drink mix, then you're gonna need some PB Fit. I just kind of have it in a container, but that's what I'm using. And I use one of the scoops out of the healthy meal for the peanut butter. About 4 chips of dark chocolate, and blend it. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.